Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you come across a camera error code in Windows 10, specifically the 0xA00F4243 error in Windows 10. So hopefully it should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. I want to open up the Start menu. Type in apps and features. Best match to come back to apps and features. Go ahead and left click on that option. On the right side underneath search this list, you want to type in camera. Best match to come back with camera. Go ahead and left click on that. And then select advanced options. Scroll down here. First thing I'd suggest would be to click on the reset option here. So if this app isn't working, reset it. The app will be reinstalled and revert to its default settings. Your documents will not be affected. Go ahead and select reset. Select reset one more time after heeding the message there, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal, but just make sure you're reading everything that prompts up along the way. Once you reset that, try and activate your camera again and see if that's resolved your problem. If you're also noticing issues that the application or program you're trying to use isn't opening up your camera, you can try setting your default app. So click on that hyperlink right there. And if you have a certain program, you want to make sure that the camera is being synced up to it properly. You can choose default apps by file protocol as well as by file type. If we set defaults by app, if you actually open it up, if you have Skype in there or whatnot, you could actually just set it to use your camera. So say your default programs by selecting camera, and you can click on the manage button here. You can control what applications have access to the camera. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.